Why Japanese people bathe every night. It's not just about being clean. Why do Japanese people take a bath every night? To many visitors, it seems unnecessary, after all. If you've already showered, why step into hot water again? Is it simply a habit, a tradition, or is there something deeper hidden behind this daily ritual? For millions of Japanese people, bathing is not just about washing the body. It is about preparing the mind, slowing the heart, releasing the stress of the day, and quietly beginning again in a world that never seems to stop moving. Perhaps one of Japan's oldest habits has become more relevant than ever. Chapter 1. Modern life never truly ends. Most people wake up already feeling rushed. Emails, notifications, meetings, traffic, social media. By the time evening arrives, the body may be home, but the mind is still running. Many people fall asleep carrying the entire day with them. They don't end the day. They simply collapse into bed. Over time, stress becomes normal, poor sleep becomes expected, and exhaustion quietly becomes part of everyday life. Modern technology has made us more connected than ever, yet it has also made it difficult to truly disconnect. Many people search for complicated solutions, meditationapps.com, supplements.com, sleep trackers, expensive wellness products. But Japanese culture has practiced something surprisingly simple for centuries: a hot bath, not for luxury, but for restoration. Chapter 2. Bathing is different from showering. Outside Japan, showers are often seen as enough. They're quick, kamama convenient kamama. The goal is simple: get clean, move on. But in Japan, bathing serves a different purpose. People usually wash themselves before entering the bath. Only after the body is clean do they soak in hot water. The bath is not for cleaning, it is for relaxing. Families often share the same bath water, because everyone enters already clean. This tradition surprises many visitors, yet it reflects a completely different philosophy. Efficiency comes first, relaxation comes afterward. The bath becomes a space where nothing is expected from you. No emails, no work, no rushing, just warmth, silence, and stillness. Chapter 3. Heat changes more than your body. Have you ever noticed how different your body feels after sitting in warm water? Your breathing slows, your muscles begin to relax, your shoulders soften, your heartbeat becomes calmer. Warm water encourages the body to shift away from constant alertness. After spending all day solving problems, your nervous system finally receives permission to rest. Many Japanese people don't think of this as a medical treatment. It's simply part of daily life, just as eating dinner nourishes the body. Bathing helps release the tension carried throughout the day. The goal isn't to escape life, it's to return to it feeling renewed. Chapter 4. A small ritual that signals the end of the day. Human beings respond strongly to routines. When the same healthy habits are repeated every evening, the brain begins to recognize a pattern. Work is over, the day is complete. It is now safe to rest. Many Japanese evening routines follow this natural rhythm. Kamak dinner, kamak bath, dekamak sleep, kamak there is no rush, no urgency. No need to constantly stay productive. Instead of asking, what else should I accomplish today? The evening quietly asks, how can I recover for tomorrow? This shift may seem small, yet small daily rituals often shape the quality of an entire life. Chapter 5. More than hygiene. Japanese culture has long valued purification, not only of the body, but also of the mind. Water has symbolized renewal for centuries. This idea appears in traditional customs, temples, hot springs, and everyday life. Stepping into warm water can become a symbolic act, leaving today's worries behind, letting go of frustration, beginning again tomorrow. The bath becomes a pause between two different worlds, the demands of the outside world, and the peace of home. Perhaps this explains why bathing continues even in today's fast-paced society. Some traditions survive because they continue serving an important human need. Chapter 6. What Okinawa can teach us. Japan is home to some of the world's longest living people. While no single habit explains longevity, researchers often notice something interesting. Health isn't built through dramatic actions. It's built through ordinary routines. Walking, preparing balanced meals.com, strong social connections, purpose, adequate sleep, and taking time to recover from stress. Bathing fits naturally into this lifestyle. It isn't treated as an occasional reward. It's simply another healthy habit practiced consistently. The lesson isn't that hot water creates a long life. The lesson is that caring for yourself every single day matters. Chapter 7. Perhaps we have forgotten how to slow down. Many people believe productivity creates success, so they fill every minute, every evening, every weekend. Even rest becomes another task to optimize. But what if rest is not something to earn? What if it is something every human being needs? Japanese bathing quietly reminds us that slowing down is not wasting time. Recovery is productive, peace has value, stillness has purpose. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what the body needs. Ending, it's never just about the bath. To an outsider, a nightly bath may seem like a simple habit, but beneath the warm water lies something much deeper. A reminder to pause, calm, to breathe, to let the day come to an end. Perhaps this is why Japanese bathing has survived for generations, not because people enjoy getting clean, but because they understand something many of us have forgotten. A healthy life isn't built only by working harder. Sometimes it is built by resting better. So tonight, before you rush into tomorrow, ask yourself one simple question. When was the last time you truly allowed yourself to slow down? Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, consider subscribing for more timeless Japanese wisdom, philosophies, and life lessons for modern life.